What's up guys? I'm sure you are tired of manually typing in your email messages as well as your SMS messages every time you need to send it to a prospect. Well, let me go ahead and show you something that will definitely make use of your time more efficiently and do your job very fast. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Omnisend. Link will be in the description of the video. Just like what I mentioned earlier guys, if you are so tired of manually typing in all of your messages for email, for SMS, for whatever reason with your marketing, this is the answer to your problem. With Omnisend guys, it has a lot of pre-built emails as well as SMS workflows and 200 plus pre-made templates that would definitely catch your global audience's attention. Now, the ability to send SMS to any country in the world as well as a free SMS credits is a very good plus in terms of you doing your marketing drive, right? Now, this is actually a 2-time Stevie Award winning 24/7, 365 days a year of support. So if ever you have any questions or you get lost along the way, you always have that lifeline wherein they will be able to help you anytime of the day, any day of the year, right? Now with Omnisend guys, drag and drop emails, form builders with e-commerce, specific features like automatic branding, gamification, and product recommendations is available here in this software as well, which again guys, it will help you a ton to make sure that all of the emails that you are making and sending out is very effective. Now, in terms of their pricing, guys, it is fair and transparent. That's 40% lower than the leading software out there. I'm sure this is something that you will definitely need with your marketing drives, and you will get the value of the money that you spend without overspending just to spend for the marketing materials or the marketing tools that you can use. All right. Omnisend is also trusted by 100,000 plus brands. They have 5,000 plus 5-star reviews on Shopify, and you can go ahead and check them out as well. And then 72 times ROI. Omnisend merchants made $72 for every dollar that they spent on email and SMS marketing in 2022. So I'm sure you will also be able to get the best, very best value of your money. So go ahead and check them out as well, guys. 130 seamless integrations with e-commerce and tools and your favorite apps as well. So do your own research, but this is something that I would definitely recommend you check out on, and thank me later if you get the best marketing tool in the world. All right. So also guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. Check out the end screen videos. I'm sure the end videos will also be beneficial to you. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.